Welcome back. We are now inside of the control panel of our website. And what we want to do in order to work with a specific email service provider is to use an email address that's domain-based with our business. Email service providers typically require you to have an email address connected to a domain that isn't Gmail or Hotmail or any other free email service. We're now going to use our control panel inside of our website to create a new email address. So we're going to click here, Create. We're going to use the domain and we're going to give ourselves a username. Now in this case, you don't want to use a generic name such as support or admin. You want to use a real name when you're going to be using it for your email address inside of your email service provider. Once you do that, you're then going to set a password and you're going to create the email address. Now it's possible that you may want to set up an email address that will be used specifically for replies. And if that's the case, you're going to repeat the process of creating another email address. And you'll create another password. So what we've now done is we've created two email addresses, one for our outgoing email and the other one for replies. What we're now going to do is we're going to set up a forwarding email address for our replies. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.